You can see this is $118.23 showing right here on my account. And you see, guys, a lot of people are not going to believe this thing, but you see, I'm scrolling right now just so that you can be sure that it is not a screenshot. It is real, it is live. All right, so I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna come back to my page just so that you can be sure that this thing is real. See, I'm gonna refresh the page. I just refreshed the page right now, so I'm refreshing the page again just so that you can be sure that this money is right here and it is real. And I'm going to tell you about this thing. If you stay on this video to the end of this video, I'm going to give you an extra point, and that point is the reason why this money is in my online account right now. So stay with me.
Earning a steady income without sacrificing your precious time is the ultimate goal for most of us. And that's the simple definition of passive income. A way to generate consistent revenue without constant effort or a 9-to-5 job. The idea is to work once and get paid multiple times, allowing you to live the life that you deserve without worrying so much about money. A lot of people think that earning passive income requires a hefty initial investment or extensive knowledge. But I'm here to bust that myth. The truth is, anyone can start building passive income stream with minimum investment and basic skill. You just need to be willing to put in the work upfront and be patient. With the right approach, you can earn a steady income without breaking the bank or being a genius. Another common misconception is that passive income ideas are limited to a selected few. No. No, that's not true. There are countless opportunities out there, and I'm about to share 7 of them with you. These ideas require little to no initial investment and can be started today. So what's holding you back? A lack of knowledge? Fear of failure? Whatever it is, I want you to know that earning passive income is within your reach. It's all about taking the first step and being committed to your goals. Let's dive into our first passive income idea starting right now. Creating and selling an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course teaching others. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to host and sell your courses online. All you have to do is create the content once and then sell it multiple times, earning passive income in the process. You can create and sell ebooks, templates, or printables on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once the product is made, you can keep earning from it with minimal effort. For example, a $10 template can make you $100 with just 10 sales. My next idea is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services of other companies, you can earn a commission for each sale you made through your unique referral link. So you want to join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or share a sale to promote products you love. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. So build an audience through blogging or social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok to increase your reach as well as your audience. Idea number 3 is investing in dividend-paying stocks. Many established companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in these companies, you can earn a regular stream of income without having to actively work for it. So go ahead and invest in companies that pay dividends. Apps like Robinhood or Wellbull make it easy to start. A small investment can generate consistent returns, adding up to $100 or more weekly over time. Fourth on my list is creating an app or a game. For those of you who are tech savvy, you can develop a mobile app or game that solves a problem or provides entertainment and then sell it through the App Store. Once the initial work is done, you can earn passive income from sales and in-app purchases. Fifth on my list is investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms. This can be risky to some extent, but then it works. So you see, platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. This allows you to earn interest on your investment. To paraphrase what I just said, use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper to lend money to individuals and earn interest. It's a way to make your money work for you without you having to get involved directly. Idea number 6 is create an ebook or a physical book. If you have a talent for writing, you can create a book and sell it through online platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. To paraphrase what I've just said, create and sell an ebook, templates or printables on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. The beautiful thing about this number is that once the product is made, you can keep earning from it with minimal effort. For example, a $10 template can make you $100 with just 10 sales. The seventh, but not the final idea, is renting out a spare space or room on Airbnb. Airbnb has become a big deal right now on the internet space, if you look it up. So if you have an extra room in your home, you can rent it out to travelers and tourists. Earning a passive income from the rental income. It could be your space or someone else's space. You can list it on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. Vrbo is spelled as VRBO. Renting out a room just a few times a month can easily cover $100 weekly or even more. Like I told you from the beginning of this video that the extra point that I'm going to list in this video is my extra point, and this is what I am doing currently. So my extra point is start a YouTube channel. Share content around a niche that you are passionate about. Once you hit the monetization threshold, ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links can bring in passive income. You only need one viral video to start earning regularly on your YouTube channel. I remember my friend Chiamaka, a stay-at-home mom, created an online course teaching photography skills. She invested 20 hours upfront in creating that course content and then sold it on Udemy. In just 6 months, she earned over $10,000 in passive income from the course sales alone. Plus, her YouTube channel is bringing in Google AdSense revenue. That is the power of passive income, my friend. Don't sleep on this one. These passive income ideas can help you earn $100 or more every week. Remember, it's all about taking the first step and being committed to your goals. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. If you do not know something but you are passionate about, go do your research. By the way, you were not born with all of this information embedded in your brain. You have to learn. So go search for it, create videos about it, and be who you want to be. See, any passive income is not rocket science. It requires some effort upfront, but rewards are worth it. By implementing these 7 ideas, you can earn steady income without sacrificing your time or freedom. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below on which passive income idea you plan to try first. If you want more money making tips and strategies, be sure to check out my next video playing on the screen right now, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.